At Meltio, we have pioneered a range of standalone machines, all powered by our groundbreaking blue laser technology. Among our additive manufacturing solutions is the Meltio M600, an industrial metal 3D printer engineered for exceptional performance. It features powerful blue lasers with a fully inert chamber, delivering unparalleled material properties and outstanding results. In addition to standalone systems, Meltio offers the Engine Integration Kit, a versatile solution available in two configurations. For vertical machining centers, a hybrid manufacturing setup that seamlessly combines subtractive and additive processes for greater flexibility and efficiency. For industrial robots, a robust platform tailored for large-scale, complex 3D printing tasks, including part repair, cladding, and feature addition. To further simplify adoption, our Meltio Robot Cell provides a plug-and-play integration for the Meltio engine ROM, designed to meet the needs of industries, minimizing integration risks and eliminating extended assembly lead times.